Did you know America's aerospace industry employs more than 1 million high-tech aerospace and defense industry workers and supports an additional 2.5 million jobs, exports nearly $90 billion worth of products, and contributes more than $42 billion to our trade surplus, and accounts for 2.23% of America's gross domestic product. The aerospace industry helped create the internet, GPS technology, and put a man on the moon. Most importantly, it's helping to keep America safe. But drastic cuts to the defense budget through sequestration will mean the loss of up to 2.14 million total American jobs, jeopardize the future of NASA and our space programs, wreak havoc on our next-gen air traffic control system, and hollow out our defense forces, putting America's national security at risk. The failure of the Congressional Supercommittee to reach a budget agreement has left the American aerospace and defense industry at a crossroads. Unless a legislative remedy is put in place by January 2, 2013, the sequestration clock keeps ticking down to what Secretary of Defense Panetta calls a doomsday scenario for aerospace and defense funding. What is the aerospace industry doing? We are fighting back against sequestration by educating and informing the American people on the value and importance of the aerospace industry, not only on jobs and the economy, but also the security of our nation. In September 2011, we launched the Second to None campaign with our website and media events, brought in respected economic experts to analyze the impact defense cuts will have on jobs, teamed with labor to speak as one voice in support of the jobs in the industry, commissioned the Deloitte study to help illustrate the overall contribution the aerospace industry makes to our gross domestic product, $324 billion in sales revenue, $84 billion in wages paid, $38 billion in taxes paid that help contribute to the local tax base in communities all across the nation. Moving forward, we are holding second to none rallies with employees in key battleground states all across America. In these states and elsewhere, you'll see us at events, debates, town hall meetings, online, and in the press. Now is not the time for America to shrink from the challenges of a tough economy or dangerous world. By dismantling our most essential aviation, space, and defense programs. Now is not the time for Congress to push the self-destruct button on the aerospace and defense industry, devastating the American worker, local governments, and our GDP. To have your voice heard, take action now. Go to www.secondtonone.org and help stop the clock. Help maintain the crown jewel of our economy. Our aerospace and defense industries must remain second to none.